Stop saying lucky. This one word makes you sound sophisticated. Propitious. Propitious. It means giving or indicating a good chance of success, favorable or advantageous. The sun broke through the storm clouds just as the ship began its voyage, which the captain took as a propitious sign for the journey ahead. Instead of saying favorable, say propitious to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word propitious in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.